Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video because this is our first time using the Super Nourish Oil Cream Shampoo, and her hair has not been shampooed in probably over a week, and we have been really lazy. The past, I would say, probably 6 or 7 days, it's been up in a messy bun, and it's just like really tangled. So I got a before picture, and we just wet it, and now I'm gonna try the shampoo the first time. So it is a creamy white consistency. It's not like the other shampoos. And I don't know how much it suds. Oh gosh. It's like really like slip. It gives her hair a lot of slip. I'm gonna need actually a little bit more than this. I tried to get her hair as wet as I could. This stuff is like really creamy and makes the hair super duper slippery. So it's definitely different than other shampoos, like the other Monat shampoos that we have used in our hair. Actually probably need a little more water. I'm gonna try to get that in there. So this one I read, they said that it does not suds up as much as a regular shampoo. So I'm not expecting a lot of suds from it, but we are getting some. But I just love how soft it makes her hair. It does make it like, just gives it that real nice slick feel. It doesn't, I don't know how to even explain it, but it feels great in her hair. So I'm gonna work this in. My main thing, aside from shampoo, we only shampoo her hair like once every, I'd say probably once every few weeks, but every time she showers, we do condition her hair. We've always used the Renew shampoo, but actually this one gives her hair a lot more, it's just like, I guess moisturizing, more conditioning. I'd say the word conditioning, because I feel like it's a conditioner in her hair. So that's great. I'm liking that a lot. So I'm gonna rinse this out, and then we're gonna apply the conditioner, and we're gonna see how great that stuff is. We typically use the smoothing deep conditioner in her hair. So I just want to see how that Super Nourish, see how that goes. Okay, so we just rinsed all the shampoo and I squeezed out all the excess water. Now we're going to try the Super Nourish Oil Cream Conditioner here. Let's see how this stuff goes. So this on the back does say to distribute into the hair and leave in for 5 to 7 minutes. So while we are waiting, I will just pause the video while we let it sit in her hair. As you can see, we have a week's worth of knots in her hair from just being in a bun and gymnastics. So on top of needing lots of moisture, we struggle with tangles big time. That is probably our biggest struggle with her hair. So the conditioner is very important, and so is the Junior Detangler spray that we use in her hair. That stuff is amazing. So we're gonna let this sit for a little while. I'm also gonna comb through it with a pick right here just to get some of the tangles out while the conditioner's in it. And then we're gonna let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll rinse it. Okay, we have let this sit for about, I guess, probably 6-7 minutes now. And we are going to go ahead and rinse it all out. Okay, so we just got her hair all detangled. There wasn't a lot of tangles in there. The conditioner, or the shampoo and the conditioner, definitely very moisturizing. You can see how bouncy. I haven't put anything in her hair yet except for the detangler, but it's very bouncy and very moisturized. So the only other thing I'm gonna add to it is I'm gonna do some curl cream and a little bit of Rejuveniqe oil. So I usually drop just several drops of the Rejuveniqe oil to the curl cream. And then rub that between the hands, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that through her hair. And that's all we're gonna do. And I will take a picture of her hair after it dries, but I will say that shampoo is definitely the most moisturizing shampoo. It felt like a conditioner while it was in her hair, and it did suds up a little bit, but it didn't suds as much as the other shampoos, but I did feel like it really did a good job getting her scalp clean. So I love that shampoo. And I will get a picture of her hair after it dries, but I'm loving it. Looks very good and very moisturized. Okay, this is the verdict. Here is the after. She just actually went outside and played, but it still looks amazing. It usually would be growing pretty big by this point after going outside, and you can just see how defined and moisturized these curls are right here. Looks really, really pretty and soft. So that is the before and after. This stuff is great. So there you have it.